you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. How you like that? How you like that? Da 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 da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl and I'm starting up my YouTube channel to recreate all the inspired makeup tutorial. And today's makeup, as you see from the eyes, I am recreating Jennie's makeup from their recent music video, How You Like That. It is their new release. I saw the music video and I'm so hooked on to that song. I saw the teaser and I saw this makeup on Jennie. She is my favorite out of the Blackpink members, and I decided to recreate this makeup look. It is definitely a challenge for me because I've never done this kind of makeup before. I'm using purely all my eyeshadow to recreate this eye look, and I hope you girls will enjoy this makeup tutorial. So before we move on, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to click that bell notification so you get notified every time I post every Wednesday and Friday. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm done with my base, my foundations, and my skin prep, so I'm just gonna go straight to my eyebrow. So as you know the drill, I always use my Burt lip balm to prep my lip. To prep my eyebrow. So for this look, it is very challenging for me because I've never done this before, and you know, it's really my first time doing this kind of makeup, and I don't have most of the equipments with me. I'm just gonna try my best to recreate the look. So for the eyebrow, she has a very natural and like straight eyebrows. Because she has this really crazy eye makeup, so the eyebrow has to be very softer and soft.
Look at me, how you like that? Nah, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Alright, that's it for the eyebrow. I'm gonna go straight right into the eyes, which is the most important part for today, and it's gonna be super challenging, so I hope I can put it off. It's not gonna be as dramatic as the one that Jennie's has, because I guess she's probably using a body paint to do her makeup, but I do not have body paint, so I'm just gonna recreate this using the eyeshadow that I have and trying to mimic the arts that she has in her eyes, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. But before that, let's put on some base. First, I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty as the base of my eyeshadow. By looking at the picture that she has, she doesn't seem to have a lot of makeup going on. This is where she wants to emphasize, so I'm just gonna go with a very light brown.
Blackpink in your area.
I'm going slightly below that to create that big eye illusion. So for this part, I'm not gonna touch this area because this is where we're gonna do the arts. Alright, the base is done. So what next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on concealer.
Light up the sky.
Alright, it's time for the most challenging part, and I'm gonna do the art over here. Follow this. So this is the Blackpink Jennie's makeup from her recent new music release called How You Like That, and I saw this on the teaser and thought it would be fun to recreate this look. First, I'm gonna need this white eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this white eyeshadow from Maqpro, and then using my setting spray just to wet my eyeshadow so that it is more pigmented. Just gonna spray right into my eyeshadow. I'm going with an angle brush. Alright, let's begin. You see that when you're using the setting spray, it will be easier to draw because it becomes very pigmented. It's not powdery.
Goes to shine like the stars. I kiss you goodbye. 시간비 웃어라 꼴조니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da.
before I continue with the next one, I actually have to draw an eyeliner so I can roughly know where I'm gonna stop this one to make like a curve. I'm just gonna go with a very thin layer at the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna go in with this pink color. I am just gonna start putting some color. To make a color more pop, I'm going into this hot pink from Zoeva. I am spraying my setting spray to make the color more pigmented. And I'm using back my anger brush, giving it more color. I'm going back with my white champagne and using a bigger brush. I want my white to be really stand out, so I'm going back again just to put a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna go with my dark brown. So this is the dark brown color that I'm using from Maqpro. So when I see Jennie's makeup, she sort of had that shadow. So I'm trying to use dark brown to kind of create that shadow to make it more defined.
I'm right back. Plain drink it hijack, don't like me, then tell me how you like that, like that. 더 캄캄한 이곳에 shine like the stars. 그 미소를 띠며 I kiss you goodbye.
I'm gonna go back to the white champagne to keep on adding until it looks really pop out. I put on my mascara, so now we're gonna move straight to my Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. I'm gonna use it to bronze my face. I'm not gonna do a super contourish face because Jennie, she doesn't have a very strong contour of their face. I'm going to use this and then buff it out so that it looks natural. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm using this Benefit Soft Focus. If you've seen my past video, this is the Balm and it makes your skin looks very natural and glowy within itself. So for this makeup, I'm gonna go with a more natural highlight. Last but not least, we're gonna go with the lip. So for the lip, because of the picture, I'm not too sure what kind of lip color that she used for her lip. It seems to be like a little bit of that pink overlining and the nude in the middle. So I'm gonna go back to this hot pink. Next, I'm gonna go with my Kylie Jenner. This is the color Expose. And then I'm going with this soft pink. Kind of give it a little bit of that soft pink nude. I'm going back to my brush and my hot pink. I'm putting my fresh lip treatment just in the middle of my lip. I'm gonna set my makeup using my Urban Decay setting spray. Alright, this is the final makeup look for Jennie inspired How You Like That music video makeup. It is not exactly the same as Jennie's makeup, but I'm trying to recreate the kind of you know, like fire look on the eyes. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial and get inspired to recreate your own versions of Jennie's makeup tutorial. If you want me to do any other Blackpink members or any inspired makeup tutorial, please let me know in the comment section down below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button for my efforts. Of course, don't forget to click that bell notification so you will be notified whenever I post my video every Wednesday and Friday. Also, please make sure to check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis. So if you want to know more of my personal life, please check out my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video.
How you like that?